Shaping the future, especially a quantum future, requires vision, courage, and teamwork. Now is our time to be the leaders driving to build America's quantum ecosystem.
South Carolina has done extraordinarily well in terms of our rate of economic growth, and quantum technology has the potential to allow us to continue to build on that momentum and really boost our long-run rates of growth so we can continue to expand our prosperity in South Carolina as we move forward.
I've seen the impact of what advanced technologies can do for a community, and we all know that if you're not growing, you're dying.
Quantum specifically is really driving an outsized impact. We're looking at trillions of dollars of revenue and value coming to this state and the region in the coming years.
I can't think of one success story that was generated by someone doing it on their own. You look at all the major companies out there that have grown and really succeeded, it's through collaboration.
We do know that it's coming, we don't know when it's going to hit. We do know that if we don't do anything, we're going to miss the bus like we did with AI. We do know that this team that has gotten together to build out this vision is going to execute the plan. Thank you.